Hi, Jim Solik from Penofin, the world's finest finish. It's been 48 hours since we cleaned and brightened the deck. Now we're ready to stain the deck with Penofin. The one thing to keep in mind is that you can use any of the Penofin products on any exterior wood products. Today, on this deck, the hardwood deck, we're going to use the hardwood formula. It's a natural tone. It doesn't change the color and complexion of a hardwood deck. What it's going to do is enhance the color of the deck, almost give it a furniture grade finish. We're going to apply the Penofin stain now to the deck, and it's important to note that when you're doing this by yourself, you've got 3 different options to apply the Penofin stain. Today, what I'm going to do is use a brush to apply it. You can use a brush, you could use a rag and apply it, or you can see over in that part of the deck that Bob is using a sponge pad. One of the keys when you're using Penofin on any of the exterior wood projects that you might be working on is that you don't have to over apply. There's a common misconception amongst contractors and homeowners is that the belief is if I apply a real thick coat, it's going to be better. With Penofin, it's a penetrating oil. The wood is only going to accept so much of the stain over a 30 or 40 minute period, so there's no need to over apply the product. If you're doing this project by yourself, work in smaller areas so that you're able to get back into the area where you've applied the Penofin and wipe it within a 30 or 45 minute period. Today, we have 3 or 4 people working with us, so we're able to tackle this deck project on a much larger scale and get it done quicker. We've stained the entire deck now with Penofin. The next step is we've waited 30 minutes. We're ready to wipe down the deck, the important step to make sure that Penofin doesn't dry on the surface. What you're going to do is take a clean cotton rag and you're going to wipe down any of the excess Penofin that hasn't been absorbed by the wood after that 30-minute period. So we've wiped off this section of the deck. Now we're ready to wipe the entire deck. Wiping down the deck, you'll have a number of rags that are saturated with the Penofin oil that is the excess that we've wiped off after the 30 minutes. What I'm going to talk about is a very important step, and that's disposing of these rags. What you want to make sure that you do is get a metal container, fill it up with water, dispose of these rags in the water. Let the rags soak for at least 24 hours. If you put these rags into a container that doesn't have water in it, you will run the risk of starting a fire. It's also noted on the top of the can. So we finished wiping down the deck. Within 2 to 3 hours, your deck will be dry enough to start walking on. Within 24 hours, you'll be able to move your furniture back onto your deck. And then at that time, you can entertain and have friends over and look at the finish that the Penofin achieves on your deck. It gives you a furniture grade finish. I hope that we've helped you with your project. If you have any more questions or needs, please visit penofin.com.